Oil might not make the headlines like AI, but without it, the global economy stops. Every plane, ship, truck, and power grid still depends on it. And one company sits quietly at the heart of America's oil revolution: EOG Resources. This isn't just another energy firm. It's one of the most profitable, efficient, and technologically advanced producers in the entire oil and gas industry. And while many companies have struggled to survive the ups and downs of energy prices, EOG has consistently delivered record-breaking results, reshaping what a modern exploration and production company can be. So, what exactly makes EOG Resources such a powerhouse? Let's break it down. EOG Resources, based in Houston, Texas, was originally part of Enron before spinning off in 1999. And that decision may have been the best one it ever made. While Enron became synonymous with scandal, EOG quietly became one of the largest independent oil and gas producers in the world. Today, it's valued at tens of billions of dollars, with operations spanning North America, Trinidad, and other key global regions. EOG focuses primarily on upstream operations. That means exploration and production. They don't refine, distribute, or sell gasoline at the pump. Instead, they find the oil and gas, drill it, and sell it to refiners and industrial customers. But what sets EOG apart is how it does this. Over the last decade, EOG has built a reputation for combining data science, precision drilling, and capital discipline better than almost anyone else. In fact, EOG is often called the Apple of oil companies, not because of size, but because of its obsession with innovation. They were among the first to apply high-tech data analytics and geologic modeling to identify the most productive rock formations. This allowed them to drill smarter, not just faster, extracting more from each well at a lower cost. Their core production comes from America's shale heartlands, places like the Permian Basin in Texas, the Eagle Ford, and the Delaware Basin. These are among the richest oil and natural gas plays on the planet, and EOG has mastered how to operate there profitably, even when oil prices fall. They've achieved this through proprietary drilling techniques, in-house software, and supply chain control that gives them flexibility other operators simply don't have. But efficiency is only part of the story. The real key to EOG's success is its focus on returns. While other energy companies chased volume, pumping as much oil as possible, EOG focused on profitability per barrel. They consistently target double-digit returns, maintain one of the lowest debt levels in the industry, and prioritize free cash flow generation. That financial discipline has made them a favorite among long-term investors and analysts. EOG is also leading the way in sustainability within oil and gas. While no energy producer can claim to be completely green, EOG has invested heavily in reducing methane emissions, improving water recycling, and cutting flaring, the burning off of excess natural gas. They've publicly committed to achieving net zero Scope 1 and 2 emissions by 2040, a bold target for a company in this sector. Their approach is simple: make energy cleaner without compromising profitability. One of the most fascinating aspects of EOG is its corporate culture. It's decentralized, meaning decisions aren't all made at the top. Field offices are empowered to act quickly based on local data and market conditions. This agility lets EOG adapt faster than its competitors, especially in volatile markets. Their innovation extends beyond operations. EOG developed its own proprietary completion technology, allowing them to precisely control the amount of sand, water, and chemicals used in hydraulic fracturing. The result? Higher recovery rates and lower costs per barrel. They even refer to their top-tier drilling locations as premium inventory, where each well can generate at least a 30% return on investment at $40 oil, a figure that outperforms most of the industry. Now, let's talk about performance. EOG's numbers speak volumes. Over the past several years, they've maintained strong production growth while returning billions to shareholders through dividends and buybacks. Their margins are among the highest in the U.S. energy sector, and even when oil prices dipped, EOG stayed cash flow positive. That's a rare feat in such a cyclical industry. In recent years, the company has expanded beyond oil into natural gas liquids, NGLs, and liquefied natural gas, LNG, opportunities. Sectors expected to play a massive role in the energy transition. As global demand for cleaner fuels grows, EOG is positioning itself as a bridge between today's hydrocarbons and tomorrow's low-carbon future. And let's not forget the geopolitical backdrop. As the world grapples with energy security concerns, EOG's focus on domestic U.S. production gives it a unique advantage. Unlike many oil majors reliant on overseas projects in unstable regions, EOG operates primarily in politically secure environments, reducing risk while ensuring reliable supply. Their balance sheet is another major strength. EOG has kept debt low, maintains strong liquidity, and avoids over-leveraging during high-price cycles. That discipline has allowed them to invest consistently through downturns, while competitors were forced to cut spending or sell assets. Analysts often point to EOG as the model for what a modern oil and gas company should look like: profitable, innovative, and resilient. They've proven that fossil fuel companies can be run efficiently and responsibly, while still delivering strong returns to shareholders. So what's next for EOG Resources? The company continues to expand its presence in emerging shale plays, exploring new basins while enhancing recovery from existing wells. It's also investing in carbon capture, renewable partnerships, and advanced drilling technologies designed to minimize environmental impact. In short, EOG isn't stuck in the past. It's adapting for the future. Whether oil stays at $70 or rises back above $100, this company has the flexibility, balance sheet, and expertise to thrive. EOG Resources represents more than just an oil company. It's a story of discipline, innovation, and quiet dominance in one of the toughest industries on Earth. While flashy tech stocks steal the spotlight, EOG quietly powers the world behind the scenes, fueling growth, innovation, and everyday life. Thanks for watching Finance Spot. If you enjoyed this breakdown, hit that like button, drop a comment below, and make sure to subscribe for more in-depth looks at the companies shaping the global economy. This is Stocks Explained, and we'll see you in the next one.